Hello and welcome to Scrum 101. I'm Kane Ma. Scrum is an iterative and incremental software development framework for managing complex product development. Scrum starts with the role of the product owner. The product owner brings to the team a vision and a budget, or some ROI, or some funding. The product owner compiles a list of everything that they want to see as part of the final product, and this is known as the product backlog. The product owner then orders the product backlog in a single rank order, often from highest priority to lowest priority. Once the product backlog has been generated, the product owner then meets with the team as part of Sprint Planning Meeting Part 1. During this meeting, the team forecasts how much work they think they can likely achieve as part of the next sprint. They start at the top of the product backlog and will select work in priority order until they have sufficient work for the duration of a sprint. The team proceed to Sprint Planning Meeting Part 2. This meeting is a design and architecture meeting for the team, by the team, where they discuss strategies to meet their forecasts. The team dissects their work into a list of smaller, actionable tasks. This is called the Sprint Backlog. Once the Sprint Backlog is formed, the team can begin a sprint. A sprint is a time-boxed period of time, typically anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks. Although I personally prefer a 2-week sprint. During the sprint, the team members will have a daily Scrum or a daily stand-up meeting, where each team member will talk about 3 things: what they did since the last meeting, what they're going to do until the next meeting, and any impediments that they might have. The daily Scrum should be kept brief, no more than 15 minutes in total. At the completion of the sprint, the team will meet with the product owner for the sprint review and demonstrate the results of their efforts over the last sprint. After the sprint review, the team will have a sprint retrospective. During the retrospective, the team will reflect upon their performance during the last sprint and talk about what went well and what could be improved. There are 2 other important roles within Scrum: the Scrum Master and the Scrum team. The Scrum Master is responsible for the Scrum process, for ensuring that the team adheres to the Scrum framework, and is responsible for removing any impediments that the team may encounter. The Scrum team are responsible for self-organizing to best meet their commitments to their product owner. Ultimately, at the end of the sprint cycle, the Scrum team is responsible for delivering product to the product owner. Within Scrum, a number of tools are used to provide feedback throughout the duration of the process. The Sprint Burndown chart illustrates the work remaining during a sprint. This is often drawn as a simple line chart. I'm not a big fan of sprint burndown graphs because they can be easily abused. A better graph is the product burndown graph, which illustrates the amount of work remaining in the team's product backlog. This graph is often drawn as a bar chart with trending lines. If you'd like to understand Scrum better and learn how to use the Scrum framework to build complex products, please continue to join me in these video tutorials.